Hi, and welcome back to the 2021 Cottage Community Idea House. As you can see, a lot of progress is happening inside. In a moment, Jerry's gonna meet up with our framer to find out progress on the other buildings, and then Sandy's gonna meet up with a master tiler to work on the showers.
Hey, Douglas.
Hey, Jerry.
How you doing? Looks like you got a full crew here today.
Yeah, we had about 12 guys here, 2 more down there.
Awesome. Well, you're making great progress. Things are looking good. I think you've got this down now, 3-4 weeks per building. That's really important on our time schedule. So the foundation is going in this week on building 3. We'll get that backfill, get the slab poured so you can jump right onto that next building.
That would be awesome.
That's what we're trying to do. Hey Sam, this bathroom's looking good. What do you got going?
I was just looking at these tiles that are going in some of the other bathrooms, and they're really beautiful.
These are very nice.
This little octagonal is going to go in the shower of the second floor master.
Nice.
And then this tile, which in and of itself doesn't look like much, but when you put them all together, it makes a dramatic pattern, so you'll see that in the upstairs bathroom.
That'll be a lot of labor involved there. It's coming out of your budget.
Yeah. It is so hot today. I don't know how our guys are working in this.
It's too hot.
They're obviously doing a beautiful job, but it's way too hot to be working.
It is.
Hi, Nay.
Hi, Sandy.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What are you doing today?
Oh, to set up those floor, have this one ready to jump to the next one.
So are we going to be able to get shelves in the shower?
Yeah, we're gonna have 2 soap dishes on that corner.
Okay.
But after, I have to put a waterproof, like the orange membrane you see on the floor.
Yes.
I have to waterproof that, and the shower is all set.
Okay.
Well, Jerry, the tile is looking great. What else is happening here?
Well, we're working in the heart of the home now, Chris. So we got the kitchen cabinets going in, the center island, filling in that niche with some special cabinets for a little office setup. And then we'll be out on the screen porch, getting the decking down, the ceiling in. We've got a ceiling fan, and then we have that unique railing and screen system all integrated. So we'll have a really nice completed screen porch. Whether people are eating out there or just hanging out looking at the river, I think it's going to be an awesome place, that whole area.
Yeah, it's a beautiful setting. It's a beautiful spot. You guys are so good at making all of those places multifunctional and comfortable and taking in the outside at the same time.
So for almost 40 years, my wife and I have been designing homes that meet our current lifestyle. And this, of course, being on mainly on one floor. We have our eating area, our kitchen prep, our dining area, and our family room, all in one room. So out here, we'll have all the same functionality. Nice screened-in porch. We have light from the skylights. We'll have a fan to circulate the air. This is a great way to complement the space on this one-floor living home.
You got the great room and the kitchen, taking in the outside from that porch. Everything's working well together. It's really nice.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing it all come together. It's one thing on paper, but now we get to see the space.
Well, things are looking great and coming along. I'm impressed with how you're keeping things on schedule, and I'm really looking forward to the next phase. Until then, I'm Chris Ermides.
I'm Jerry Efron.
For the 2021 Cottage Community Idea House from This Old House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.